Um, Today we'll be learning about bigger numbers. We expect you're already familiar with small numbers, so we'll try to look at how we work around really big numbers in mathematics. So large numbers are arranged in groups of three, and so what we do is we would count from the back, and then after every three digits, we separate them into groups. So that way we can categorize the numbers into groups. So for instance, this number here has four digits. So what we do is we count from the back, one, two, three, and then we put a comma right there to separate the digits. And this has five digits. So we count one, two, three, put a comma. So you can see we now have two groups here. This has about seven digits. So again, we count from the back. You count one, two, three, put a comma. Then you count one, two, three again, put a comma. So now we have three different groups. I'm going to tell you what these groups mean by the next slide. But you need to practice this. So pause the video, try this out, and then play it when you're done. All right. So we're going to practice this. We're going to count from the back. One, two, three, and then put the comma. So we're going to have 30, have a comma, and then 938 on the other side. 30, you have the comma, we have the first group and the second group. Here we're going to count from the back. One, two, three. So we'll have the first comma here. One, two, three, we'll have the second comma here. So it's going to be 42. Then 501 in the second group. 928 in the smallest group. Oh wow, okay, so we have this again. Pause the video and try this out if you got the other one right. Okay, so one, two, three, put a comma. One, two, three, put a comma. One, two, three, put a comma. And finally, one, two, three, we put a comma. So this is a really big number. You can see it has about one, two, three, four, five groups. Five groups. So we have 12. The next group is 400. Next group is 927. Next group is 983. Next group is 210. So we want to always count from the back forward. All right.